Alright, let's take a look at the XLITE-100 Smart Bike Taillight. It's brake sensing, light sensing, vibration sensing, waterproof, lightweight design, 20 hours of battery, USB charging, and visible for up to 200 meters. Now, install couldn't be any easier. With a couple of zip ties, it securely fits just under the seat with a convenient mounting bracket. Now let's open it up and look at the inside contents. So the unit itself is compact, rechargeable. You can see the USB connector here. You have either manual mode or automatic. Then you just take the main unit, screw it into the metal backing, and it creates a tight seal, which is waterproof. Alright, I've also fully charged the unit. Once you're ready to go, you push the button in the center to activate. I'm going to push it again here to cycle through. So it's got a flashing mode, two primary modes, flashing, and then you have a pulsing mode. And now I'm going to test out there to simulate braking, and you can see how it goes solid. All right, now let's get into the install. You can see it lines up nicely here with the seat. Take a zip tie, loop it around, secure the one side, and then I flip this around, get the second zip tie in there, and secure that end. Then clip off the zip ties, and you're ready to go. You just need to mount it. Now I'm going to set mine in automatic mode. Just simply screw it into the backing like I showed earlier. It's a very nice, tight connection. There's no room for water to get in there. Alright, here you can see how bright it is up close. Now let's get it on the bike. Now in automatic mode, you're going to watch it time out after 5 minutes. I'm accelerating it. There you go. You tap the bike again, it wakes up. So it's nice. You don't have to keep turning it off and on. All right, let's take it outside and you'll see what it looks like out on the street. Here we are about 25 feet away. There we are about 50 feet away. We're going to do a pass here. You'll see the stopping. So it went from flashing to a hard red light. And as I continue, you're going to see it continue to pulse. So it just automatically senses that movement. And you'll see how far in the distance there, you can still see that there's obviously a vehicle or a bicycle traveling. Here's my second pass. There we are, braking again. Come to a stop. And here's the third pass. You'll see there'll be a vehicle that will notice me. He's actually going to pass further on the side. I'm definitely visible to traffic. It also works very well in the daytime. Alright, I really like this light. Definitely check it out. It'll be nice not to have to recharge something or replace batteries all the time. I'll leave an Amazon link down below, and please check it out.